Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to write in a text file using C++ language. So let us start with the program. Here I have written a write_file.cpp, this particular file for executing the purpose of writing into a text file. Here in this program we are going to write certain statements into a text file. So we are going to create a new file called demo.txt and we are going to insert some of the statements and we are going to add two numbers and then we are going to display it into the text file. Till now we have displayed and we have done every kind of operation into the console, but this time we are not going to put up any kind of data or put up any kind of output into the console, but we are going to insert the data and the strings and the operations directly into the text file. So let us start with the program. First of all, I have created an object called fout that is of type OFStream. Now OFStream is a class which will help us to actually insert the data, or it's a kind of a pipeline that will help us to insert whatever we want to insert into a text file. Like we are having a cout object. Yes, we are having a cout object that is helping us to insert the data or the operations into the console. Similarly, it helps us to insert the data into a file. So this particular class, that is OFStream, lies inside FStream library. So if we want to create an object of OFStream type, then we need to include this particular library compulsorily. Otherwise, the compiler will give an error. Now I have created the fout object. So by using the fout object, I can call open function. In the parameter of open function, I have to pass the name of the text file that I want to create. So here I have written demo.txt. So if this particular named file, that is demo.txt file, is not existing in the particular folder, which folder? The folder where my this file write_file.cpp is lying. In this particular folder, if demo.txt file is not lying, then this particular program will be creating demo.txt at that particular location. If you want to create this file on a particular path, then here you can give that path like c:\demo/ means whatever folder wherever you want to store this file. But I want to store demo.txt at the same location where my this current.cpp file is there. After creating the file, the fout object returns me true if it is able to create this file. So here I have done a kind of exception handling, that is I have written if not fout. That means if my compiler is not able to create the file, that means it will return me false. And if it is returning me false, that means this particular condition will become true, and if this condition is becoming true, then I am printing this statement, that is error in opening the file, into the console, and then I am exiting the program. This exit function will help me to terminate the program as my program is not able to open the demo.txt file. This exit function is actually lying inside cstdlib library. So I have included this library over here. So if fout object is able to create and open the demo.txt, then this particular code that I have highlighted over here will not be executed. It will come at this statement. First of all, using fout object, we are inserting hello world statement, that is a string, inside the file. Which file? Demo.txt file. We will be inserting using fout object. So like we were using cout object to insert the data and insert the strings into the console. Similarly, we are using fout object to insert the data into the text file. The second statement that we are printing into the file, or we are inserting into the file, is hi universe, using the fout object. Then I have taken two variables a and p. Then I am totaling both the variables, that is a and p. After that, again using fout object, I am printing the value of a and p inside my file. Thereafter, I am also printing the total of both the variables into the file. Then finally, I am closing my fout object. This statement is compulsory to discard all the buffer space stored by the fout object. So this will actually release all the resources held by the program. And then finally we are writing return 0. That means we are returning 0 to the program. Let us execute the program. So here you can see nothing has been printed into the console because there is no cout statement. There is only one cout statement into the program over here. And when this cout statement will be executed, when my compiler is not able to create the demo.txt file, but the statement is not executed, that means a file called demo.txt has been created. Let us check into the folder where my this current CPP file is there. Okay, so this is my file write_file.cpp. You can see demo.txt is created, and in this file you can see my first statement using fout object that I have printed is hello world. So here also hello world. Then my second statement using fout object is hi universe. So here also in the file called hi universe. Then I have printed the value of A and the value of P. So here the value of A and P are also printed in my demo.txt. And finally I have printed the total of both the values. So here the total is also printed. So that's all. This is the way that how we write into a file. Have a good day.